So this is the symbol for probing on the outside, and I will type my coordinates G57, and the diameter is 612, and I will put my depth 15 mil.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
How to probe manually your job on outside diameter. So first thing, I will call tool number 1, my probing, tool 1 M6 on MDI, and second start. That's my probing. I am going to move my probe going to the center of my job using the handwheel. This one is just approximately at the center of my X and Y, and 10 millimeter above my Z0, or the top base of my job. And now I am moving on X. From the center of my probe to the outside diameter of the job, and I will set my relative to 0, and going to the other side so that I can determine what is the size of the job. Once I get the diameter, I will divide it by 2 and stop at the center, and I will do the same on my Y axis. Going to the top, to the positive side of my Y, set 0 again on my Y axis on the relative of the machine, and I'm going to move my probe going to minus Y to get my diameter, and after that one, I am going to divide it by 2 again and going back to the center of the job. I will go to memory and custom number 1, and then after that one, so I will go to probe and boost. So this is the symbol for probing on the outside, and I will type my coordinates G57, and the diameter is 612, and I will put my depth 15 mil. Once I have completed all the box, I am going to cycle start, and my machine is going to probe the outside of my job. At this time, I am going to get my Z0. So I am going to position my probe above my job, roughly 5 mil to 10 millimeter above the job.
And again, I will go back to memory and custom number 1, and then I will select the Z, and I will input the coordinates. So G57, so just type 57 and input. So now I have G57, and I will going to cycle start again. So it's moving. It's going to touch on the top face. And now guys, I have the value on G57. So 299.707.